my dear student. Our lesson today, the first lesson in Unit 2 of Algebra. Lesson 1 is non-negative and negative integer powers. We learned previously the not negative and negative integer powers. When we have a number, what's the meaning of a power? A power n. What's the meaning of a power n? It means that a is repeated number of times according to this power. A times a times a, 4n times according to this power. For example, root 2 or root 3 4 power 4 power 3 equal root 3 times root 3 times root 3. Root 3 is called the base and 3 is called the power, which is equal 3 root 3. If A is the rule, if A belongs to real number and n belongs to a positive integer, so a power n equal a times a times a times a for repeated as a factor of n times. For example, root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2 repeated for 5 times. So it called root 2 all power 5. Negative root 2 times negative root 2 times negative root 2 times negative root 2 repeated 4 times. Negative root 2 repeated 4 times, so it becomes negative 2 root 2 all power 4 equal 4. Negative root 5 times negative root 5 times negative root 5 repeated 3 times, so it becomes negative root 5 all power 3. It equals negative 5 all negative 5 root 5. Another rule, any number power 0 equal 1. Any number power 0 equal 1. If A doesn't equal 0. A belongs to R star. For example, root 7 power 0 equal 1. Negative 1 over root 11 power 0 also equal 1. Let me take and remark negative root 2 all power 4, negative root 2 all power 5. When we have negative number or negative real number and the power is even number, and another example, the same negative real number, but the power is odd. At first, it becomes negative root 2 times negative root 2 times negative root 2 times negative root 2. Repeated 4 times. It becomes positive. Negative times negative equal positive. Negative times negative equal positive. So it becomes 4. But when the power is odd, it becomes negative root 2 times negative root 2 times negative root 2 times negative root 2 times negative root 2. It becomes negative. The result or the product becomes negative because the power is odd number. It becomes 4 negative 4 root 2. So when we have a negative real number and the power is even, so the product is positive. When we have a negative real number and the power is odd number, the result is a negative real number. Second, negative integer powers. Second, negative integer power 5 power 3 times 5 power negative 3 equal 5 power 3 minus 3. When we multiplying like basis, we adding the power. 3 plus negative 3 equals 0. Any number power 0 equals 1. An important rule: if A belongs to R star and M belongs to positive real number, so A power negative n equal 1 over A power n, and the inverse A power n equal 1 over A power negative n. For example, 3 power negative 3 equal 1 over 3 power 3. We find the additive the multiplicative inverse of 3 equal 1 over 3. So it becomes 1 over 27. It becomes 1 over 27. For example, root 3 all power negative 4 equal 1 over root 3 power 4. So it becomes 1 over 9. 1 over root 3 all power negative 3 equal become negative 3 all power 3. It becomes negative 3 root 3. Drill, both in simplest form. Both in simplest form. X if x equal 3 and y equal root 2. Find the product. Find each of the following in simplest form. X power negative 2. Y power negative 4. Equal. Simplify before substituting. X power negative 2 equal 1 over x power 2. According to the previous rule. Time is y power negative 4 equal 1 over y power 4. After that, substitute the value of x and value of y. Value of x equals 3. 1 over 3 power 2. Time is 1 over. Value of y equal root 2 all power 4. Equal 1 over 3 power 2 equal 1 over 9. Time is root 2 all power 4 equal 4. 1 over 4. So it becomes 1 over 36. Number 2. X power negative 2, x power negative 2 time is y power 4. Time is y power 4. All power negative 2. Equal. X power negative 2 equal 1 over x power 2. Time is y power 4. It become y. It become y power 4 over x power 2 all power negative 2. After that, negative power, negative integer power. Find the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of the inside the bracket. It equal x power 2 over y power 4 all power 2. After that, substitute the value of x and the value of y. 3 power 2 over root 2 all power 4 all power 2. So it becomes 9 over 4 all power 2. It becomes 89 power 2. Distribute 2 over 9 and 4. It becomes 81 over 16. we take an important rule. An important rule. If a power m equal a power n, when base equal base, then power equal power. A power n equal a power n a power n. If base equal base, then n equal m, power equal power. But at first, number two, if a power n equal b power n, power equal power. So we have two importance. When n is an odd number, if n is odd, so the two bases are equal, a equal b. But if n is even number, so a equal positive or negative b. The first base equal positive or negative the second base. Let we take example on this rule. Find the value of x in each of the following. 3, exercise number 2, a 3 power x minus 2, 3 power x minus 2 equal 81. 3 power x minus 2 is the same. 81 is base 3 power 4. 81 equal 3 power 4. It becomes base equal base. So the power equal power. X minus 2 equal 4. So x become equal 4 plus 2 equal 6. Number B, root 3 all power x minus 1 equal 9. Root 3 convert 9 to base root 3 all power 4, because root 3 power 2 equals 3. So root 3 power 4, root 3 power 2 equal 3. Root 3 power 4 equal 9. Root 3 power 4 equal 9. And root 3 power x minus 1 is the same. So the base equal base. So the power equal power. Then x minus 1 equal 4. So x equal 5. Number C, 32 all power x minus 3 equal 8 power 2x plus 1 equal 32 as a base 2. 2 power 5 equals 32 all power x minus 3. And 8 x 2 power 3 all power 2x plus 1. We will, after that we will multiply the first and second power. So 2 become 5 times x equal 5x, 5 times 3 negative 15 equal 2 power 3 times 2x equal 6x, 3 times 1 equal 3. Base equal base, so power equal power. 5x minus 15 equal 6x plus 3. So 6x minus 5x equal x, 3 minus negative 15 minus 3 equal negative 80. So value of x become equal 80, negative 80. Let we take some choose 4 power 3 times 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3. 4 power 3 repeated 4 times. So it becomes 4 power 3 times 4. When we multiplying like this, we adding the power. The result become 4 power 4. 0.008 times 0.05 equals 2 power negative 3 to 10 power negative 3 and 5 times 10 power 2 times 10 power negative 3 and 5 equal 5 times 10 power negative 2. 10 power negative 5 times 10 times 10 power 2 equal 10 power negative 5. 2 times 5 equal 10. Negative 5 plus 1 equal negative 4. So the result become 10 power negative 4. If x minus 5 equals 0, all x minus 5 all power 0 equal 1. Then x doesn't equal 5 because the base doesn't equal 0. So x belongs to R difference 5. Thank you.